First things first, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, and get your baking sheet ready with a layer of parchment paper or a light greasing. Next, it's time to get your pie crusts ready. Unroll them onto a lightly floured surface. If you're a master baker and using homemade pie crusts, aim for a thickness of about 1/8 of an inch. Now for the sweet part. Spread a thin layer of your favorite fruit preserves or pie filling evenly over each pie crust. Whether it's strawberry, raspberry, apple, or cherry, the choice is yours. Once your pie crusts look like a fruit-filled canvas, start at one end and roll them up into a tight log. A little water brushed along the edge can help seal it shut. With a sharp knife, slice your pie crust log into individual pieces, each about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch thick. Arrange these soon-to-be delights on your prepared baking sheet, leaving a little space between each one. Before they hit the oven, give the tops of the roll-ups a light brush with beaten egg. This gives them a golden brown and shiny finish as they bake. And for an optional extra touch of sweetness and flavor, sprinkle the tops with cinnamon sugar. It's now time for these treats to bake. Pop the baking sheet into the preheated oven and let them bake for 12 to 15 minutes, or until the roll-ups are golden brown and crispy. Once baked, let them cool slightly on the baking sheet before moving them to a wire rack to cool completely. And there you have it, fruit pie roll-ups. They're delicious on their own, or you can dress them up with a scoop of ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream. So that's how you make quick and easy fruit pie roll-ups that your kids will absolutely love. Not only are they fun and delicious, but they also offer a great way to involve kids in the baking process. Happy baking!